Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Is the DJI Neo 2 about to redefine the drone industry? Leaks and rumors suggest that DJI is preparing a major upgrade, making this new model an absolute game changer. From enhanced flight performance to cutting-edge camera technology, the Neo 2 is shaping up to be one of the most advanced consumer drones ever made. But is it all good news? Let's dive into the latest details, separating the exciting innovations from the potential concerns, and discuss when we might finally see this highly anticipated drone hit the market. A massive camera upgrade. Aerial photography redefined. One of the biggest upgrades expected in the DJI Neo 2 is its camera system. Leaks suggest that it will feature a 1-inch sensor with a 20-megapixel resolution, a major leap from previous DJI models. This larger sensor allows more light to be captured, resulting in improved sharpness, vibrant color reproduction, and vastly superior low-light performance. Nighttime aerial shots that once appeared grainy and washed out could now be sharper and more detailed than ever before. But that's just the beginning. Reports indicate that the Neo 2 will support 5.4K video at 60 frames per second, providing stunning cinematic footage with ultra-smooth motion. The inclusion of 10-bit D-Log color profiles could give professional videographers more flexibility in post-production, ensuring greater dynamic range and richer colors. However, there are still questions. Will DJI incorporate an adjustable aperture for greater control over exposure settings? And will these features be available in the standard model, or will they be limited to a more expensive Pro version? Until DJI makes an official announcement, these details remain uncertain. But one thing is clear: the Neo 2 is shaping up to be a powerhouse for content creators. Performance enhancements: speed, stability, and battery life. A high performance camera is useless without a drone that can handle dynamic shots smoothly. According to leaks, the Neo 2 could reach speeds of up to 60 mph, making it one of the fastest consumer drones in its class. This speed boost is perfect for tracking fast-moving subjects, whether it's sports, wildlife, or action-packed cinematic scenes. Battery life is another area where DJI is rumored to make significant improvements. The Neo 2 is expected to offer a 40-minute flight time, a major upgrade from previous models. This longer battery life will allow pilots to capture more footage without the constant need to swap out batteries, a huge advantage for professionals and hobbyists alike. Another major rumored enhancement is OcuSync 4.0, which could provide a stronger, more stable connection and extended transmission range. This would mean fewer signal drops, especially in urban or forested environments where interference is common. However, with all these performance upgrades, there are still some concerns. Will the increased battery capacity make the drone heavier? And how will it perform in extreme weather conditions? Real-world tests will be key in determining if DJI has successfully balanced power, weight, and efficiency. Next-level AI tracking and obstacle avoidance. Obstacle avoidance and tracking are two critical factors in making drones more user-friendly, and the Neo 2 is expected to take these to the next level. Leaks suggest that DJI is implementing full directional obstacle sensors, meaning the drone could have 360-degree awareness. If true, this would make it significantly harder to crash, even in dense environments like forests or cityscapes. Additionally, the Neo 2 is rumored to feature Active Track 5.0 and Point of Interest 4.0, allowing for AI-enhanced subject tracking. Imagine being able to lock onto a moving subject and have the drone follow seamlessly without requiring constant manual adjustments. This would be a game-changer for vloggers, sports filmmakers, and adventure videographers. However, past DJI models have struggled in complex environments where contrast is low. Will the AI be able to track subjects accurately in low-light conditions, crowded areas, or dense foliage? While the idea of smarter AI is exciting, its real-world performance remains to be seen. Portability, design, and connectivity upgrades. The design of the Neo 2 could also receive a major upgrade. Reports suggest a foldable design, making it easier to transport, an essential feature for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. If true, this would align the Neo 2 with DJI's Mavic series, which has prioritized compactness without sacrificing power. A rumored built-in touchscreen controller could also make flying more convenient. Instead of attaching a smartphone, users may be able to control the drone directly from a self-contained, high-resolution display, streamlining the setup process and reducing reliance on external devices. Connectivity is another area where we could see improvements. With potential support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, the Neo 2 may offer faster, more stable wireless connections. If DJI enhances live streaming capabilities, pilots could even stream their flights directly to platforms like YouTube or Twitch, unlocking new possibilities for content creators. Potential downsides. What could hold the Neo 2 back? While all these upgrades sound incredible, we have to consider potential downsides. The most obvious concern is pricing. Advanced drones already come with premium price tags, and adding enhanced AI, larger sensors, and longer battery life could push the Neo 2 into an even higher price bracket, making it less accessible to casual users. Another issue is software reliability. AI-powered drones can sometimes suffer from glitches and unexpected errors. Will the Neo 2's tracking and obstacle avoidance systems work seamlessly, or will users experience occasional hiccups? Finally, availability and production delays could be a concern. DJI has faced supply chain issues in the past, leading to stock shortages and frustrating delays. If demand for the Neo 2 is high, getting your hands on one at launch might not be easy. When will DJI announce the Neo 2? As of now, DJI has not officially confirmed the Neo 2. However, many leaks suggest that the launch could happen later this year. Historically, DJI has announced new drone models in the first half of the year, so a release in the coming months wouldn't be surprising. That being said, we have to take leaks with caution. Companies often test multiple prototypes, and some rumored features may never make it to the final product. Additionally, supply chain issues or unexpected challenges could push the launch further than expected. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Neo 2 worth the hype? For now, we'll have to wait for DJI's official announcement. Until then, let's keep the discussion going. Are you excited for the DJI Neo 2? What features do you want to see the most? Drop a comment below, and let's talk.